Guys, so welcome back. So me and my mate Jaden, I'm going to be teaching my mate here behind the camera, Jake, on how to wheelie, and also like teaching you guys how to wheelie as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so step one on how to wheelie. So like the first thing you've got to do is, a lot of people might say this in their videos, push down your wheel foot. Look, a bit like this. Step, Jaden's going to show you how to sit down whilst wheeling. So first you push down, pull back, and then sit down. So it's pretty simple. Yeah, it's pretty simple and it's easy, but the one thing that's going to happen, which will be coming in the next step, the one thing that's going to happen, you're going to fall off the back, which is why you use your back brakes. And I'll show you what it will look like if you obviously fall off the back. So now this is what it looks like if you don't use your back brakes. Just going to fall off the back. Right, so now using your back brakes also helps you for like holding your balance. If I'm wheeling, yeah, and as I'm about to fall off, my brake. You just like gently tap it. Some people just pull it in and then just flop straight to the front. Just pull it gently, because I'll show you what some people do. Just literally pull up, on the back to pull, slam on the brakes. That's literally what they do. So there's only really 3 steps to it. It's like learn how to pop up for the first bit, like dominant and right brakes. Learn how to get your pedals right. Learn how to sit down and just learn how to use back brakes. The last step is you have to make sure you're in a comfortable gear, because if you've gone for a high gear, like I normally go on like 1 and 7, but if I'm going downhill I'm going on like 2 and 7 because I'm just wheeling it out. But if you want to start wheeling, I say, because my bike's got quite like light gears, so it's pedal off. If you've got a healthy hat like me, going about gear 5, so it's like a lot easier. And that's really the last step that you just got to learn. So now we're going to get into some clips.
You're just OJizing it.
So now I'm going to do a bike check. So a second ago we taught you how to wheelie, now I'm going to show you a bike check. So come. Alright, so I've done this before and I've only added one thing onto my bike. Restart that. So I've got a math machine. It just goes on my bike really. Red and green. It's kind of pinky though, but I don't know. Next, I've got these reflective strips that go around my bike, but I run out, so that's why it kind of looks a bit dodgy here. I've got it on the front as well. So I've also got spoke covers, because if I think if I didn't have spoke covers, it probably wouldn't look good on my bike. I've got these grips. Halfords. They're alright. They do me good. And that's it really. But I've obviously got reflective strips on the back, which my cameraman so far, Alfie, got made them. His Instagram will literally be like where my seat is right now. Yeah, but I've got these on here. I'm getting either pedals, new green pedals, plastic ones, and I'm getting mafia tyres, which is not even that bad. So that's my bike check.